So what we're going to do, ready? Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make a new processing method based on a standard that was run last night. We're going to use mellow yellow. So here it is here as a channels view. Okay. We're going to bring that into review. So right mouse click review. It says there's data already loaded in there. Yeah, we want to replace that data. So this is mellow yellow. These are the two components that are in there. But we're going to use a processing method, Diet Coke, which is down here. And we're going to see who is home. In this case, we don't have 603, 811, or 604. So we're going to remove these from the processing method. So we'll come over to this icon here, which is processing method. Press it. We're going to go to the components tab, which is right there. 603 is out, so I delete that one. 8131 is really 813. 811 is not there, nor is number 3. Oh no, number 3 is there, I'm sorry, my mistake. 604 is not there. Use a control on those, right mouse click and delete those 2 rows. They're there, okay? Now, we're gonna add the amounts that are on the bottle to our default amounts. So the first one is 813, highlighted. 813 is 0.097, and 3 is 0.061, okay? So now we're gonna say File, Save As, Processing Method. This is just saying modifications were made. We're gonna save this, and we're gonna call this, instead of Diet Coke, Mellow Yellow. Oops, that's a V.
There's no W in mellow.
Oh, that's right, you're right, there is no.
And there's no W on yellow either.
Well, guess what? I don't even get. Okay, and I'm just going to change this down for. And we're going to save it. Okay, the only other thing we're going to need to do to make this so that people can run from there is to go back to Browse Project, and we need to create, in our Methods tab, a new method set that reflects mellow yellow. All we need to do is come to the Method Set tab here, okay? Beverage analysis, that's our default instrument. That's going to stay because it's the same instrument method for everything. But we're going to change this from, in this case, this is Light. We're going to call this Mellow Yellow. And our report method is Coke Report. We're going to leave that alone. But we're going to save this as File, Save As, and it's going to give me all the method sets that are up here. I'm going to call this Mellow Yellow. And that's the sequence that you would run whenever you're running a mellow yellow type sample. So if we go back to Browse, you don't see it here, but if I hit Update, mellow yellow then lights up here. You see it right there. And we also have a mellow yellow processing method up here. And that's how hard it is.